It's a rainy day in Texas today. What is up? It's your boy Paul from Darkside AutoLab, and today we have an Infiniti getting lights on their mirror. We didn't supply the parts. The customer came and wanted the lights installed. Cowboy is currently in the vehicle wiring everything up.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Taking that tug out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Winning the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is to it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge.